Hi everyone, good evening. As long as God wakes you up, it means that He's not through with you yet. He's not through with you, with me, to each one of us. As long as God given a chance to wake up every day, means that there's something that we have to figure out to do what is the right thing. We have the shot to do what is right, to correct what is wrong. That there's something that we must do and something that we not yet receive yet. That's why still God wake us up. He has a plan for you, and whatever it is, just trust God, because He always planned to prosper us, not to harm us. And if you feel that in your life right now, He is only what you have, you have to talk to Him. Kung ano pa yung hindi mo dapat na, yun yung dapat mong gawin. Talk to Him all the time. Because when He wakes up, still every day, He allow us to do something that we need to do. And we have to figure out what all those things. And if there's opportunity to do what is right, do it. Grab the opportunity when you are still have a chance to wake up. Na maitama yung mga dapat itama, mai-correct yung mga dapat i-correct, gawin mo yung mga dapat mong gawin. God ain't through with you. He still has a plan for you. So when you are in a situation right now that you struggle, that you feel down, that you feel disappointment, talk to Him. Talk to Him. This is your time to have conversation with Him. Whatever situations you have, don't give up. He's not ain't through you yet. Thank you everyone. Good evening and God bless.